son my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend in the good name of Ghana. So help me.
Clap for her, clap for clap for her. You were expecting her to fumble, right? Yes, I know a lot of people were expecting her to fumble. That's the trend. The usual trend is to see people try to recite the national pledge and then they fumble, then we all laugh. You expected her to fumble because what? She's a market woman, she's a Kayayo. Shame on you. Now, this woman has shocked everyone, and this video is trending on Twitter right now. She said, there are certain jobs that people usually look down upon, and one of them is being a Kayayo. Other jobs that people usually look down on is content creation. People usually look down on content creation and stuff like that. Yes, but this woman, no. You know, most of these head porters, or as they are locally called Kayayo, people don't expect them to be educated, to be smart, to be enlightened, you know, and especially to be able to recite the national pledge or to sing the national anthem. But this woman was able to do it flawlessly. This is the kind of, I wish we can have our parliamentarians to do something like this. Let's see how many of them can actually recite the national pledge. And it doesn't even end at reciting the national pledge, because that one can be chew and pour. Let's see how many of our politicians understand the national pledge and can actually, you know, try to do what it says. And I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. To the service of Ghana, not the service of your constituency, not the service of your area boys, not the service of your slave queens, not the service of your party. The service of Ghana. So whatever you do as an MP, as a member of parliament, as a politician, it is for the service of Ghana. Are you thinking about Ghanaians? Or your own is for your pockets? The loan you are going to take, this decision you are going to make, this thing you are voting about, is it for the service of Ghana or for the service of your political party? I wish we can have, you know, politicians do something like this so that those who can't recite, you know, will know what to do with them. Anyway, that is just one part of the news. Now we found a child genius. This 9-year-old boy has invented something, and I think we need to throw more light on it and to make sure that people like this have a bright future. I'm the Headless YouTuber, this is Headless Reactions. Alatai Yanka! We are in 2022, and in this day and age, you know, we should stop pushing people into certain fields, and we should rather encourage things like innovation, invention. That is what we need to do. I feel like Ghanaians or Ghana, we are very, very, very much behind when it comes to innovation and thinking outside the box. That's what I think. Because people in other countries, when you look at people in China, you look at people in Korea, you look at people in Europe, people in America, if you look at them, you realize that these people, from their children's infancy, you know, they try to train them or shape them in a certain way. But go to school. If people find out you are talented in certain fields, in Ghana, we will not push you towards that field. Though. You have to go and pass through the general go to school, go and study the parts of an antelope. This 9-year-old boy has invented stuff like excavators and vacuum machines and stuff like that. And an excavator that uses water, not electricity, not fuel, water, pressure pump and stuff like that to dig and to this. In fact, watch this video.
machine channel. Now no control no operate via channel. Yeah, that's one. Excavator. You have a chill. Gonna hire. On use battery. On use battery. On use. Yeah, when no now audio operate. It's now no good audio operate. That's one. Yes, I know what that's one. Not vegetarian. Excavator, Patrick, why excavator? Why excavator from scratch? It's our machine. What's a year? Vacuum cleaner. Brony. What's a year? A vacuum cleaner. What's a year? And the best so rare. Yeah, she won't miss my what's it. I don't use the battery. Correct. The best so rare. Yeah, she makes my machine operate. Quality no you channel no you quality no go area. Na dey we no clean and na asesa. Clean na asesa ni na. Brony ka kana yi. That's so ni na. Ono asesa. When you particular you from scratch. It's an idea, not here. It's a year. I say, yeah, vacuum cleaner. When you support, it's one born. Yes. Now, oh, my, why a machine with you? Mower. What's a year? Mower. It's a yabat net. What's a year? PVC pipe. Nah, battery. We use battery. Nah. See, you're pretty now. Who makes more? Blade not shining, no. Blade, you know. Yes. Blade not shining. No pretty now. Oh yeah, because yeah, 2 minutes what point? We are no use, no boy, I know you from scratch. Yeah. More than you.
Clap for him, clap. Clap for him. Now these are the kind of inventions we need for somebody of his age to come up with something like this, even if he had tutorials or someone taught him Kana, to be able to build something like this, no? It means this boy has something in him, something that needs to be exploited, something that needs to be developed, to be nurtured, you know, to make sure that this boy would grow up to be the next Elon Musk or something, to be an inventor, to be somebody who is very innovative minded, who thinks outside the box. Let's not push this boy into the system to go and pass through the normal system, and this boy will come out and he wants to work in an office. He wants to sit in an office. I'm not saying sitting in an office is bad, but if somebody can excel in certain fields, you don't force the person into other fields. Then they'll feel like a square peg in a round hole. That's what we need to do. Look at somebody like Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber was discovered at a very young age when they realized he could sing. Imagine pushing Justin Bieber to go and do accounting. He will be, he'll be trying to balance the sheets and he'll be doing, baby, baby, And he will not be happy because he was born to do one thing and you're pushing him into another field. Children like this, we need to, take them straight into engineering school. Straight into, getting them the kind of mentors that can, mentor them into becoming inventors, manufacturers, and stuff like that. We don't even have schools like that in Ghana where people can, we need help. Now, I don't know where we can locate him or anybody watching who can help this boy, but I feel like this boy needs to be taken special care of and also given special attention. Before all these, ideas he has, he loses it. And because there's no money at home, his parents might force him to either go to school or go and learn a trade. Go and do something. Go and sell something on the streets. And just like that, a prospect will be lost. We need more of these kind of people, and we need to pay attention to people's future based on the little things they exhibit as children. So yes, clap for him one more time. This is very innovative. Very, very innovative. Now let's help push these kind of things. And I don't know, watch other videos on this channel. Tell somebody about Headless. And if you can't recite the national pledge, you better go and learn it. And abide by it. And I don't know, Yapon.